My name is Jason Goldfarb. I own and operate Beantown Buys right in the Boston market. I'm an investor. I'm an investor. I also have a brokerage, so I can list them. I do fix and flip. I can do novations assignments, all that type of thing. And I've been marketing in this area for quite a while, pretty aggressively since 2019. Actually got a referral from a local guy in the market that does stuff a little bit higher end. The idea behind it was a little bit different outside the box from the data we've been approaching. And I was doing direct mail forward other data, other lists, and I wanted to compare it to those lists. I mean, I use some really reputable data sources that we've all heard of, like Propstream, Lead Cruncher, 80/20 data, some real big players. And I gave it a shot to test the Appraiva data actually in this campaign against the 80/20 data. So I ran three drops, three lists, two 80/20 lists and one Appraiva. I was surprised to find out that the Appraiva list outperformed both of the 80/20 lists combined. So I would go out and on other lists, the people would have a stack of mail, right? Me and all of the different other companies. What I did notice with the Appraiva list is they did have some of the mail, but it was all my mail. There wasn't much, or if any, competition on these leads, this list. And I think it was just because of the way you guys curate it using your system with AI and advanced technology. It was only about 4,000 records. So I was targeting the high part of the list, like from 70% score all the way up to 100. Out of that 4,000 records, I got 4 contracts. And there's still quite a bit of few like working because again, the last drop just happened this week. So we're still working some of that. And I've been scheduling appointments. They're coming in, obviously calling in off our postcards, and the ROI on it is just been looks like it's really good. I'm very happy with what we're doing so far, and I'm excited to actually do another drop, another campaign, and this time I'm gonna, do 2 Appraiva lists and see what happens. If you've been marketing and you're experienced, you close some deals, in the past year or so, and you have some under your belt, and you're already familiar with doing some marketing, whether it be direct mail or even skipping and cold calling. I would recommend anyone high level to use this. In fact, I am in a high level mastermind, and I did share this with them, and several people actually reached out for the connection. And in fact, you've been kind of connecting with them as well. So obviously keep on plugging away with it. But so far on our first test, on our first drop, I'm very happy with the results.